And because of that, some of us feared that at the end of the day, if all of us goes into ADC, based on the Electoral Act, purchase our forms for the contest of the different positions we might be contesting for. At the end of the day, if our leader, P2B, fails to get that ticket, one, he will not be eligible to contest again, based on the Electoral Act. And some of us who may have gotten our own tickets at different levels, we face a very serious consequences because there will be voter apathy among our supporters, and they will not be out. Eventually, we all may lose our elections. And because of that, we stand firm. I was still remaining in labor for months after he left. And I was hoping that one day, before the actual time, that he will be able to realize that he needs just to find a party that can truly get a ticket for him to stand for this election. And as we were waiting, it was getting very late. And at the same time, being that he was still in ADC, I find it difficult to understand that some of the people then in ADC who were forming this, who were in the formation of this ADC, are not separate. They cannot be differentiated from what we have in APC. When we are preaching for New Nigeria, we cannot use old wine to mix the new wine. And to God be the glory. Before I waited for a long time and I was not seeing the green light, I have to move to APC. Because as of that time, I can even tell you that APC is like the only party that was not having any issues in Nigeria. And the election was fast approaching. But at the same time, praying and waiting that he should take the right decision. And after I've entered into APC, I think about some weeks or close to a month, our leader now defected into NDC. And believing in his antecedents and his leadership, there is no way I can go up against such a man of track record that we all fought for together, that brought us into the office today. Immediately the news filtered. I think it's for the best interest of everyone, for people who have the same ideology and belief, to come together and support that mandate. I didn't hesitate, but to cross to NDC. And after that, I had a lot of people who I know that are still interested in the position that I occupy. Not just because they are saying it, but they are interested. Most of them are fellow contestants who are sponsoring such kind of to paint a bad image of myself. But I think that the issue here should not be whether Joshua Chinedu crossed from party A to B, which also our leader have said severally that if it takes him to cross into 20 political parties, but to succeed for the battle for a new Nigeria, that is ready to do that. I think that the issue here should be based on what 2 years plus that I have spent in the National Assembly, what impact has it brought to the people of Ahmad Buhari Federal Constituency? I think that should be the issue here. That is what we should be discussing. It has that we have access roads in our rural communities. Yes.
I have a central reason in politics. Because this is a problem in
NDC.
Follow me, okay. Thank you.
Team account.